Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh Opari. Hope you are doing great. Today I have something incredibly exciting to share with you. Imagine earning $191 per sale from affiliate business system. You know guys, right now I'm on 40% commission, and imagine earning 100% commissions as a super VIP promo partner. Yes, you hear that right? That is a total whooping 100% commission. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a specific system that can change your affiliate marketing game entirely. This is a time sensitive opportunity because there have been some significant updates to the system. And guys, just imagine if an ordinary Indian person like me with English as a third language, now who can easily craft automated systems and make money in dollars. If I can do it, why can't you follow the exact same strategy and start making money for your success? Okay, so let's hop into my screen now. Alright guys, now before we get started, you should be knowing about Strizheus. My mentor and the owner of the umbrella company known as 4% has developed the affiliate business system. This system is one of the programs within the 4% and is designed to show everyday ordinary people how to launch a successful affiliate marketing business in just 7 days. Alright guys, now let's break down what the affiliate business system offers. It walks you through everything you need module by module to succeed in affiliate marketing. Now let's discuss module number 1, and it's all about mindset. This module is crucial because a positive mindset sets the foundation for your success. Think of it as preparing your mind for the challenges and triumphs ahead. And in module 2, which outlines the 300k per month blueprint. Yes, this is an exact blueprint for generating $300,000 per month. Imagine that kind of revenue. And in module 3, we'll be focusing on setting up your money hub. This is revolutionary. Your money hub is essentially your home on the internet where you can partner with the 4% products, other companies, and showcase your own products when you're ready to create them. And in module number 4, it's all about connecting the tools you need to succeed. This includes services like autoresponders, click tracking softwares, content related softwares, and many more. And in module 5, you'll learn about activating products essential for success. For example, if you need to market it on Facebook, there is Facebook training, and the same goes with Instagram, YouTube, email marketing, tribe building, and many more. And in module 6, which involves setting up your system to earn up to 100% commissions. This isn't just another course, guys. It's an implementation system where Vic does all the teaching, selling, and telling for you. And in module 7, you'll come across with Activate Hub live streaming. Instead of hosting live calls on platforms like YouTube, where viewers can get distracted by other links, you host them on your own site. This way you can use the webinars to sell any products you choose. Module 8 is all about launching your business. Module 9 covers strategic marketing, and module 10 is the fastest way from zero to making over $10,000 per month. Alright guys, so this exact training helped me generate nearly thousands of dollars by relicensing and promoting the products within the 4% ecosystem. When someone signs up for this program through my link, I get like 40% commission. Why? Because I'm a VIP promo partner. As I said, if you are a super VIP promo partner, then you get 100% commission from that. It's like having an ecosystem similar to Amazon. Guys, when you go to Amazon, you find a variety of products. Similarly, in this ecosystem, people find trainings for affiliate marketing, traffic generation, email marketing, tribe building, and many more. For example, if someone needs an autoresponder, they can choose from services like GetResponse, and your affiliate link is coded into the training. So when they activate a tool like GetResponse, you get credit for the sale. This is just one simple example, guys. Vic will integrate affiliate links from other programs too, allowing you to earn commissions from various income streams. The affiliate business system is powerful because it doesn't just show you how to make money online. It provides you with all the tools and trainings to dominate any niche or industry. And here's the catch, guys. Right now, you can access affiliate business system for a one-time payment of around $497. But this pricing will go up soon, around $1997, and eventually it will be available for around $5,000. So $497 is an absolute steal, guys. So I request you to please take action. If you are very serious about starting an affiliate marketing business, right now it is the time to act. Click the link in the description below and get started. Don't wait too long and miss out on this amazing opportunity. You know, guys, successful people make decisions quickly and change their mindset slowly. If you want to change your life and income, the affiliate business system is the way to go. I know this sounds like a sales pitch, but I wouldn't recommend it if I didn't believe it works. You have seen my results, right? Vic knows what he's doing. He created systems that have generated millions of dollars. So guys, for more information on affiliate business system, I request you to please visit the first link in the description, get registered, and watch the free masterclass by Vic Strizheus first. Alright? And as I promised, there is a special bonus for you. Okay? I'm offering a $2,488 bonus for absolutely free to the first 500 members who join my VIP inner circle from the second link in the description. You know, in this community, you'll get access to my affiliate marketing course. First one, valuable resources. Second, and the opportunity to network with like-minded individuals. So here you will be coming across with many affiliate marketers, share your strategies, and you will also come to know new strategies what actually working in the market. Alright guys, so I request you to take this as a golden opportunity and get into my community from second link in the description. Alright guys, so go ahead, click the link below, check it out, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side. As promised, there is a special bonus for you waiting. I'm offering a $2,488 bonus for absolutely free to the first 500 members who join my VIP inner circle. You know, in this community, you'll get access to my affiliate marketing course, valuable resources, and the opportunity to network with like-minded individuals. So to access it, you can directly visit the second link in the description, get registered, and be into my community and take that golden spot. Alright guys, so you know, on this channel I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online, and if you're watching this video for the first time, then I request you to please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any next notifications from my end, as well as it would be motivating me to create new content for you. Alright guys, so as I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more content like this. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.